So next up, guys, another nice truck coming in from the same place as that one we just videoed a little bit ago. This is a 2006 Freightliner Columbia. I'll go around and give you a nice 360-degree view. This truck here, guys, showing right around 527,000 miles. Again, they come from a good home. They got all aluminum rims. They make sure to keep them in good working order. This one here has a Mercedes diesel motor. Good rubber all the way around. Two 100-gallon tanks, so it'll be 200-gallon fuel capacity on this one. Sliding fifth wheel, mud flaps. And this one has an automatic transmission with no clutch. It is a 10-speed Ultrashift Eaton Automatic. Another truck, guys. Good clean interior, good seat, heat AC radio. Set up as a good green home truck, and that's what they used it for. I'm here with the consignor. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. And like I said, all aluminum rims all the way around, guys. This truck here actually does have the option, so it does have the air ride front axle. That was a little bit of an option there in 2006. Both these trucks are pre-emissions units, guys. Good healthy sounding motor. Sliding fifth wheels. 176-inch wheelbase on both these trucks. There's a little forward reverse. I'll have to rev it up just a little bit here. Good sounding truck, guys. I'll have all the pictures with the listing, but two very nice units coming in from the same home. Like we said with the other one, not rusty, good running truck. So good luck, guys, with auction time and old 20 auctions.